So this is what you're going to get in this Power BI and Excel fast track batch. If you just see, the target is by Eid, you can add Power BI and Excel in your CV and publish it on your LinkedIn and get better jobs and better assignments. And if you're already working, you can save more time while working. So this session is designed in such a way. See, the recording classes are there, session one, session two. There's a sample data set, and after that, there is also a quiz. So let me just show you. This is one of the uh, sessions of the class, of the real class, where we are working on creating dashboards. In fact, on session one itself, you can see we've done and completed this much. Let's get back to it. Then we have quiz in between so that we understand whether you are doing it right or not, whether you are able to understand it or not. In addition to that, what we've done is we've added Excel sessions as well. Excel sessions are also there in here. In addition to that, we also have all the data sets which is to be shared. I have shared it in a Google Drive on this here itself with the link. You guys just need to go start working at your own pace and complete it. Now you'll be asking, sir, until when am I going to get this recording? Is it going to be lifetime? No. If I'm going to give you this access for lifetime, you're never going to do it in your life. So this is going to be a very, very limited period offer. This is something which you guys need to bank on really fast and really quickly. Complete this, get your doubts solved, get that certification, and get a better job ahead. So thank you very much for watching. You guys need to go on towards LMS lms.ngs.academy. Okay, you need to go there, enroll for the courses, and yeah, go search for the courses. You'll find fast track Power BI with Excel. This is how it will happen. It will show you like this is an enrolled one. Let me show you one which is not enrolled. If you've not enrolled, this is how it will ask you. It will ask you to log in. I'll just show that to you once again. lms.ngs.academy and LMS courses. This is how the courses will be. Power BI is there in front of you. You need to just go ahead, buy this. This is very limited. This 4,000 is going to be a very limited, just the Ramadan offer. After that, it's not going to be there. Go ahead, buy it. It will ask you to log in. Just log in with your email ID and you're going to get this access. You can check it on your phone, on your laptop, on your iPad, MacBook, whatever it is. You can access it on your device. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys have any doubts, put it down in the comment section below. Thank you.